Harris tells supporters, "Do not despair," as she vows to help Donald Trump with the transfer of power. "I know many people feel like we are entering a dark time, but for the benefit of us all, I hope that is not the case," she says in her first speech since losing the election. Trump carved out a decisive victory as he won 5 of the 7 battleground states. He's ahead in the final 2 yet to declare, Nevada and Arizona. Meanwhile, Republicans have retaken control of the U.S. Senate. They also lead the contest to control the House of Representatives, but it could take days for a final result. The Trump campaign says President Joe Biden has called to congratulate the president-elect on his victory and invited him to the White House to discuss transitioning administrations. President Trump looks forward to the meeting, which will take place shortly, and very much appreciated the call. Trump spokesperson Stephen Chung says in a statement, "It's important to note that Trump did not extend this invitation to Biden after losing in the 2020 presidential election in a departure from tradition. Presidents usually invite the incoming administration to the White House, greet them on the steps of the North Portico, and then ride with them to the U.S. Capitol for the inauguration ceremony, which Trump did not attend in 2021. The mood in the crowd at Howard University was mixed, as Kamala Harris gave her speech to students and supporters. Some were dancing, others were crying. Many said they left feeling inspired by the vice president's words. Jade, 18, says she is proud of her. She did a great campaign and she still has a chance if she wants to run in 2028. But Jalen, who is also 18, adds, "I don't feel like the world is about to be a great place right now. I'm so angry." Just a short while after the Obamas issued their own tribute, President Joe Biden shares his own. In a statement he says, "What America saw today was the Kamala Harris I know and deeply admire, hailing her as a tremendous partner and public servant full of integrity, courage, and character." Biden describes his decision to select the vice president as a running mate in 2020, his first after becoming the Democratic nominee, as the best he made. Her story represents the best of America's story, and as she made clear today, I have no doubt that she'll continue writing that story. She will continue the fight with purpose, determination, and joy, Biden says. She will continue to be a champion for all Americans. Above all, she will continue to be a leader our children will look up to for generations to come as she puts her stamp on America's future. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.